How to sign up for Spotify Premium. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the audio in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type Spotify. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on Spotify and install this application. Now once you install it, simply tap on open. Now on the home page, simply tap on sign up for free. Now enter your email address. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. Now create a password. Again tap on next. Now select your date of birth. Tap on next. Again tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now select your artist. Now tap on done. Now tap on start listening. Now at the bottom part of your screen. Simply tap on premium. Now tap on get started. Now wait for the screen to load. Now select your subscription and tap on continue with Spotify. Now complete the payment process and then you will get Spotify Premium. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.